How to create a content calendar in Asana. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can easily create your content calendar inside this Asana, the project management tool. So first thing first, you need to visit asana.com and create your account here. So I already created my account. I will just go ahead and log in, and to create an account, you just easily connect your Google account if you like to. So I will just go ahead and continue with my Google account. So give me a moment. All right, so here is the main homepage of Asana once you log in to your account. And the good thing about Asana project management tool is that it's very good platform to use to organize your project. This is very useful tool, especially for vloggers, or if you are a social media manager. It's a good platform to use for you to stay organized on content that you want to post weekly, monthly, or daily if that's what you do. So this will help you track all your project and all your content for you to be consistent every day and for you not to forget anything to upload on social media if you're a social media manager. So over here you can get started. If you already created your project over here, you will see here the tasks that assigned to you. And of course, your priorities here, these are the tasks that you need to finish because it will due very soon. And also down here, you can add your private notepad. So you can add some project as well over here, or you can invite some people who will also be part of this project or task. So to get started over here, we have our marketing. Under marketing, these are the different projects that you are handling that you need to organize. So here, for example, I have the marketing campaign, cross-functional project, and sales. So let's just go ahead and create another project, and let's name it as a content. So here you can make use of a template if you like to, or you can also get started with the blank project. So if you will be clicking the use a template, they have different template here that you can use from. So for example, here starts from scratch. You can start it from scratch. And then here you can see we have our list view over here. So let's just name this one as content. And then the privacy is going to be public to marketing. You can keep it private to me or private to project members, where you can just select members who can view this kind of project. But I will just set this one public so that everyone see this project. So I will just go ahead and continue down here. You can also make use of the board view. So we have the bird view, the timeline, and of course the calendar for you to easily view and track all your project and make sure that you did not miss anything and you are on track in doing the project before the due date. So I will just go ahead and select the calendar and then continue. But of course, you can also change that one later on. So here, what do you want to do first? We have start adding tasks, share with teammates, and you can also set up your own workflow. So you can create your workflow over here if you like to, where you can automate and visualize your team process. So for example, once one of your team completed the video, then it will automatically change the assigned to the person who will be uploading the video to social media and add some captions, something like that. It will depends on you how you can set up your workflow, and I will show you that one later on as well. So I will just start adding the tasks. So go to project. And then here we have the calendar view. But of course, if you like to list view, you can also change that one to list view. So I like setting up my task using the list view because it's kind of easier for me to do it compared to the calendar view. So I will just make use of the list view. So over here, let's just say we have a topic, how to use Asana for beginners. For example, that's our topic, and then I will assign it to someone in my team, and the due date will be, let's just say it's going to be on Tuesday. All right, so we already have our task over here. And of course, once you added your task over here, it will also show up inside your calendar. As you can see here, we have our task and it will due on Tuesday. So you can always check this one. So let's just go back to the list view. And once you add that, you can also click on this one and you can add more. So here you can change the due date. You can also add description here. So just enter your description here, test, for example, and then you also can add subtask as well over here. So for example, I will let my friend to review this one. Once the video completed by the assigned person, I can ask my friend to review the video and follow up. In case the assigned person forget about it, then this person that I will be assigning here will be the one who will be following up to the assigned person to do the video. And of course, you can also add your questions here or you can post an update. It will automatically save. So over here, when you click it, you can see the subtask that we just added, the description, as you can see. And also your calendar. As you can see here, we have now the task and also the workflow. So here you can visualize and automate your team process. So you can try, let's just click try for free. And this is where you can set up your workflow. Like for example, if someone, let's just go back to the list view. I will just explain to you how's the workflow setup work. But right now, I'm not able to make use of it because I already finished with my trial. So I just got the free plan. So for me to do that, to show you the workflow or create a sample workflow, I need to pay for the premium account. So the workflow is that when someone, for example, this assigned person who will be doing the video will mark this one as complete, then as the workflow, it will automatically change the assigned person to someone who will be uploading it inside your social media account. For example, I have Karen. Karen is assigned to upload the video and write a caption for this video. So once this person marked this one as complete, then the Asana system will automatically change the assignee person to Karen so that Karen will be notified that there is a new task added for her to do. So that's how workflow works. So everything will be automate. So there's no need for you to manually do the thing on your own. Like for example, manually change the assigned person on your own because Asana system will automatically do that for you. So right now you will see here we have the different tasks. So this is the easiest way for you to stay up to date on what's going on inside your calendar. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. If you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.